The composition of fluorite is calcium fluoride, also called fluorite, schedule, fluorite, etc. It's often purple, green, light blue, because it contains all kinds of rare elements. Colorless transparent fluorite is rare and precious. With the development of economic and environmental protection, the technology of energy saving, low investment, and high benefit will be vigorously promoted now, which has laid a good foundation and development direction. The forming pressure of fluorite powder ball press is the main factor affecting the hardness of ball making. It is a kind of rotary press roller with hemispherical groove. The loose powder is pressed into the spherical shape of the powder material, mainly used for pressing a variety of powder, such as quartz powder, calcium fluoride powder, quartz powder ball, quartz powder pellet, and other powder, through the fluorite powder ball presser. Machine processing, energy saving, convenient transportation.